Hello buddies, let me quickly show you all how to make edible glue and also how to use edible glue for your cakes and your cake decorations. So relax. The first thing you need to do is to get a bowl or a plate or a container that you want to use to make your edible glue. Now to that you're going to be adding some CMC or carboxyl methicellulose. So add some CMC into the container, then next you're going to add some water. So you add this water to dissolve the CMC, and as the CMC dissolves, it gets stickings, and also it kind of increases in volume. Okay, so that is what happens. So the more you add the water gradually, the more it increases in volume, and once you are done adding the water for a little while, you see that it continues to thicken up. Okay, so once you've done making your edible glue just this way, you're going to now use it. Let me show you how you can use it. Now I want to stick something on my cake. So first, just apply some icing sugar on your work surface, then you roll out your fondant. You're going to roll out this fondant very thin. Okay, you're going to roll it very, but not too thin, but very thin. Next, you're going to get what you want to stick to your cake. So this is what I want to stick to my cake. I printed this in the sidebar. So you have to cut out the edges of this material you want to stick to your cake. Next, you're going to apply the edible glue that you just made on the fondant. You can also apply it on the other side or overside of the material you want to stick to your cake. And once you're done applying the edible glue, you place the material just the size of the cutout. Then you're going to make sure that you fix it in place. Make sure you smoothen it out. Make sure that it gets properly fixed as it's supposed to be. Okay, then you make sure you smoothen it out very well. And once you're done doing this, next is to attach it on your cakes. Okay, on your cake, on any part of the cake you want to place it. So I want to place this one on the top of my cake. So next thing you need to do is, now you just use your brush, your paint brush, and take a little bit of water. Okay, you can also use the edible glue to do this if you want, but I just said to use a little bit of water, just not too much. Apply it on the overside of this, and then make sure on the overside, that is the part that is the fondant. Now you're going to place it on your cake. Okay, just place it as you want, where you want the design to be. So this is how I want the design to be, so I placed it this way. So once you're done placing it, you also use your smoother to just smoothen it out as you see in the video, and there you go. Happy Father's Day. So this is basically how to make edible glue, and also how to simply use edible glue to stick or to attach stickers on your cakes. Thanks and say again.